Well, hello everyone. Oh, there's stuff all over me now. Hi YouTube. Hello everybody. Yeah, I've gone and done it again. I've got a new project. Ignore the engine, that's the one. I've got to wait for the gearbox. And I won't need that now, so if anybody wants a Rover V8, it'll have a... I'm hoping to get a 4-speed automatic for it, which I will convert to the bell housing, and then that'll be that. So I won't need that now. But anyway, as you can see, I have new parts. Steering wheel, parts, lights, and I bet you think they look familiar. Seats, separate front seats, all posh. Parts, lots of parts. Core support in pretty bad condition. Got to repair that. Front wings, yeah, and here we go. There's a bonnet. This is a 1986, so it's a Mark III Ford Bronco, and it's actually an Eddie Bauer edition. I think they just changed the paintwork on them. That's a different, because this is a separate top, it's fiberglass. They paint the top a different colour, and then they paint this a different colour. And I can't remember, there's a couple of little bits that they change as well, but it's that's actually the original blue that my truck was when I first, that it was underneath it, but I did that other blue, so I might try and get the blue that's identical to that, or as close as possible, and redo it, because somebody's tried to spray it black very, very badly, matte black at that. Had a new fuel tank, brilliant. Chassis is a little bit worse for wear in places, that'll have to be cut out and replaced. A lot of surface rust to get rid of. 4-wheel drive, and a 5-litre V8 fuel injected, if I can get it working, and if I don't do electronics, so I might have to get a friend to help me if it works. The engine turns over, I've turned it over by hand, so, but exhausts are pretty rusty. I don't know what to do with them just yet. I don't like the I mean, it would be nice. It's nice to have 4-branch manifolds, long tube headers, but whether I keep them or not, I might make new stainless steel ones, but I might just make the back bit for now. We'll see. There's a hell of a long way before that, so tyres are good. Yeah, they're not too old either. I'm not sure about how good the wheels will come up, but all in all, another project. Got a few places to weld. Apparently the guy bought it 7-8 years ago, something like that. Drove it around a bit, and then got somebody to completely strip it to this stage, because he wanted to get it resprayed and everything. And anyway, his wife had a baby and life took over and whatever, and it stayed in his barn, dry stored, all this time, and he's just finally decided it's never going to get done. He might as well let it go. So anyway, there we go. There's a little bit of rust here and there, a bit over there, corners here. Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, compared to these, somebody's been going mad happy with aluminium sheet pop riveting. Bad. They've done the same here. Naughty people, bad people. I think the worst bit is there, and under there, that corner's not good. So, as you can see, so that'll all have to be replaced. So, that's not too bad at all. The bonnet's in fairly good nick. There's a couple of little bits on the front edge that want redoing. Tailgate's the same. Looks like somebody's already had a go at that very badly. Why don't they butt weld it instead of welding over the top? Anyway, that'll all get redone, obviously. That is so heavy. It's still got the glass in it. It is ridiculously heavy, my god. And it was all tan interior, and they sprayed the whole interior apart from the seats, carpet, everything black. Now I've got to try and get that off somehow. Don't know how, but I've gone through it all. The only thing I can find missing so far is one of the sun visors, and that's about it, which isn't a problem. So anyway, that's it. That's the cunning plan. See how much I can get done. I'm due for an operation on my wrist. The arthritis in my wrists got very, very bad. As you can see, it's a bit crooked, and it's very painful, and I'm struggling to pick things up with it. So they're going to fuse my wrist, which will lose the pain. I'll lose the mobility in it, but I won't be in any pain, and at least I'll be able to use my hands. So there we go. That corner's quite bad. Look. Oh, they've used the Bondo and wire gauze. Yeah, that's the same as the other side. So anyway, there we go. Keep you updated, keep watching. Thanks for your interest, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers all.